United States Geological Service recorded a magnitude 6.0 earthquake 44 kilometers west of Sardinal, in Costa Rica's Guanacaste province, September 5, 2013. There were reports of shaking in the popular tourist destination and beach community, where people described what happened as 3 strong jolts. Prophecy September 3, 2013. In a vision of this early morning, large weather balls are seen in what appears to be the region between North and South America or north and east of Australia. Interpretation: a major earthquake will shortly strike in the area depicted, and strong aftershocks